Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram posts from your laptop. So it's important to know that the Instagram website doesn't let you add music from the library like you can do on your phone. But don't worry, I will show you a simple workaround that gets the job done perfectly. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So the workaround that I'm going to show you is a two-step process. First, we will use a video editor on our computer or laptop to combine our photo or video with the music track that you want. Second, we will upload the finished video file directly to Instagram. Now, a very important warning about music copyright. To avoid your post being muted or removed, you should only use music that you have the rights to or music from royalty-free sources. You can find great options on sites like YouTube Audio Library or on Sultan sites, other royalty-free music platforms. So the first step is we need to create our video file. So I will simply use the built-in video editor of Windows, which is Clipchamp. You can easily search it on the Start menu here. So simply open this, click on Open. So I am using this because it is completely free and will be accessible to all users of Windows. You can also use any other editing software like iMovie on Mac or Premiere Pro or DaVinci if you're using Windows, and you can also use the Canva video editor too if you have that. So inside the editor, first click on Create New Video from Scratch. Click on this option. Then the video editor will open up in front of you. Now, in the video editor, after creating the new project, the next step is to import both your media. That's your photo or video clip, whatever you want, and your royalty-free music or audio file. So simply open the folder where you have both of them. So first I will import my video here in this drop-down menu section, which you can see. And next I will upload the audio for this particular video or the royalty-free music. So again, simply drag and drop like this. Now, once you have both the files, you can directly drag and drop that onto the timeline here, just like this. Now you have the video, and make sure to choose the vertical format here in the side section. Now, because it is for Instagram. Now, do the same for the audio track. Now, depending on the audio, you can always trim it as you can see here. And then you can cut the remaining audio if it is excess or more than the video length. And if you're using a single photo, you might need to stretch its duration on the timeline to match how long you want the music to play as well. So once you've adjusted the timeline and you're happy with the outcome, the next thing that you have to do is export the files, which is the music and the video together. So what you do is simply click on this export option at the very top and then choose the highest quality that you want. And if you're using it for free, 1080p is the highest quality. Click on that. Name your video here and then simply click on Select Folder to choose a destination. So let's say, for example, you want to save the video on desktop. You simply choose that and click on Select. Now, simply click on Save to your computer. And let's say, for example, I want to save this on desktop. Click on that and then click on Save. And now the exported video should automatically appear on your desktop, which you can see here. And once that is done, you can close the editor, and now you should have a complete video with the new audio built in, so as you can see here. And after playing the video, if you're able to hear the music or the audio in the background, that means you have successfully completed the important part, and now it's time to upload it to Instagram. So simply open your browser and go to instagram.com in your web browser and log into your account. Now here, all you have to do is simply click on the Create button. Then simply choose Post, and affirmation. Now you will have two options. You can either drag and drop your media file directly onto this box here, or you can click on Select from Computer and select the video manually. It's totally up to you. Now, after uploading the video file, you have to crop the video file. So this is a reel. So I will choose the reel format, which is vertical ZLI. So click on this small menu here and choose you 9:16 and then click give you a sense and scale. It also has a circle that says 15-minute walk reel here. Now you can choose the cover photo. It's totally up to you. You can choose it from this menu here, or you can also upload a new cover image from your computer directly as well. And the main thing that you have to keep in mind is make sure the sound is enabled. Now, once that's done, click on Next, and then you simply choose all the information, the description, and then right away you simply fill the normal descriptions, locations, dot. If you want to share to someone or any other additional things that you want, you simply complete that, and then click on Share. So that's it. You now know the best workaround.com to add music to Instagram posts from your laptop. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.